What's up, Sean Cat? Don't know how this will work. The snow may get all over the lens and may not be any good, but we'll see. We've got the Insta360, the Osmo X5 videoing on top of the hood. Frank said he couldn't get out of the driveway in Sherry's car. He went down the hill. Hers is a front wheel drive. I don't know if we could get out in the Jeep or not. It's been steady snowing, but we're getting these little bitty flakes. Doesn't seem like it's gotten any deeper since it got started. I was going to let the camera run inside the windshield, but as you can see up there, the flakes filled up the windshield. We can put this one on our head under our hat brim, and lens looks clear. This one on the Insta360 does too. So in 35 minutes, we'll turn this one off. We may get the other mount put on our head and walk up through the woods.
Photo.
You don't want photo. You want to turn it off. So you can see it's coming down pretty good. Wish we'd get some big flakes and they'd come down more slowly, or slower, whatever's proper. Let's walk up through here and see what we got going on. Well, the snow on the broom sedge is nice, isn't it? A lot of times you'll have 10, 15 deer out there in Frank's field. I may crank the Jeep up and come up here in the snow up here somewhere. I don't know that there's any point in getting out on the roads at all. We got about 3.5, 4 inches. Can't hardly even see it to the top of the power line. Still, you can't. Okay, let's turn this off. We'll see how these turn out.